BMW, he was about to get the car in 3 months. Dr. Amit Kumar, in one of his interviews, shared activate the RAS in the direction of our goals and dreams. 2026 is about to come, and if you haven't made your vision board yet, then you're at the right place. Hi guys, my name is Sherry and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about everything you need to know about vision boards, why they are important, how to make it, how to use it, what are the alternatives to the vision board, and the neuroscience behind it. So without any further delay, let's get started. Out of the thoughts that we think daily, 95% of them are repetitive. That means the thoughts you are thinking today are more or less the same thoughts that you thought yesterday, or a day before yesterday, or a day before that day. Joe Dispenza calls this hamster in the wheel situation. Thinking the same thoughts and feeling the same emotions, you are creating same state of being. And from that same state of being, you are creating more of the same in your physical reality. Now what the vision board does, it allows you to get out of that hamster wheel and create something new in your physical reality. Now the first thing you need to make a vision board is clarity. So sit with pen and paper and write down all the things you want to manifest in 2026. You can write them under 5 heads: health, wealth, career, relationship, and spirituality. And make sure that they are quantifiable in nature. Suppose you want to manifest good health, but instead you must write the amount of weight that you want to have, or the specific amount of blood sugar levels you want to have. Now while doing this process, there are 2 disclaimers. First, don't put anything just for the sake of putting it. Put only those things on your vision board that really means to you. It can be a pair of shoes, it can be an article of jewelry, it can be anything. And the second thing is that don't set unrealistic targets, because in that case your vision board, rather than inspiring you, will give you a lot of anxiety, and the whole purpose of making a vision board will be defeated. After writing all the goals and desires you want to manifest in 2026, just go to the internet and browse for pictures that are related to your goals and desires. Download them, and here comes the fun part. Go to any picture editing app and put your face in these pictures. Download them and get them printed. Once you printed all the pictures, take a chart paper or a canvas board and put all these pictures on the board. You can use affirmations as well along with the pictures, and once you stick everything to the canvas board, your vision board is ready. Once your vision board is ready, just paste it on one of the walls of your bedroom, and each day before going to the sleep or after waking up from the sleep, look at your vision board and try to visualize having those desires and goals. If you can't make a vision board and stick it into your bedroom, you can make it digitally and use it as your wallpaper. And even if you can't do that, you can make a dream diary. You just have to stick those pictures in the diary and read it every single day before going to sleep. Every moment we are receiving 15 billion bits of information, and our conscious mind is processing just 15 bits of information. That means there is a filter in between. This process of filtering is done by RAS, or reticular activation system. The RAS is located in your brainstem and it acts like a spam filter. It filters out all the information that he considers unnecessary for you. And when we make a vision board, we activate the RAS in the direction of our goals and dreams. Then it will take cues from your environment, like opportunities, resources that are there that you can use to achieve your goals and dreams. Making a vision board is a very powerful exercise. Dr. Amit Kumar, in one of his interviews, shared that he always dreamt of having a BMW, and when he booked his BMW, he was about to get the car in 3 months. But after booking the BMW, he happened to visit a Mercedes showroom, and there he got a catalog along with a picture of a Mercedes car. When he went home, he unconsciously pinned the Mercedes car picture on his vision board, and just 1 month before the delivery of the BMW, he cancelled the BMW car and he got a Mercedes car. So make sure that you get very specific and clear what you want. That's it for today's video, and if you're also making vision board, then please let me know in the comment box. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay connected for more such videos. Till then, bye bye.